Hi, my name is Amanda Nguyen, and I'm an oral medicine specialist in Perth, Western Australia. I'm here to talk to you today about how to make up a dexamethasone mouthwash according to how I would direct my patients to do it. Please note that dexamethasone is a really strong medication with a lot of significant side effects. It should only be used under the prescription of a registered healthcare professional. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact the person who provided you the script, as my directions may be different. Thank you. In Australia, this is not available as a ready-made mouthwash unless compounded and will typically need to be made up at home. You will need the dexamethasone tablets which have been prescribed for you, a clean jar, water, a measuring cylinder, and a marker pen. One 4mg tablet of dexamethasone should be dissolved in 40 ml of water. The concentration of this solution will be 0.1 mg of dexamethasone per 1 ml of water. So I tell my patients to dissolve 5 4mg dexamethasone tablets, which equals 20 mg of dexamethasone, in 200 ml of water. It is important to make sure that the tablets are thoroughly dissolved, and you may use a spoon to aid you in doing so. The solution should be kept in a bottle or container with a lid, and the lid should be labelled with the name, contents, and date. To use the dexamethasone mouthwash, you should rinse with 5 ml for 5 minutes and then expel thoroughly. The solution should not be swallowed. You are not meant to eat, drink, or rinse for 30 minutes after using the solution. It can be used between 1 to 4 times a day, but this should be discussed with your specialist. The solution does not have to be kept in the fridge, but it should be kept in a safe location out of the reach of children, and should only be used by the person for whom it was prescribed for. The dexamethasone can precipitate, so it's important to shake it before every use. A fresh batch should be made up every 2 weeks. Thank you.